Hey guys, I'm Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you the best free VPN services. Check out what's best for you. So let's get started. So now, in a world where internet surveillance is increasing, having a reliable VPN can help hide who you are, where you are, and what you're doing from prying eyes. While free VPNs might lack some features found in premium versions, you might just find that one of these is all you need. So now let's jump in. So now, in the fifth place would be Speedify. So kicking off our list at number 5 is Speedify. True to its name, Speedify focuses on giving you the fastest VPN speeds possible. It does this by allowing you to combine 2 or more of your internet connections. For example, you can combine your Wi-Fi and cellular data to ensure that you're getting the best performance. With over 1,000 servers in more than 50 countries, your data is fully encrypted. Speedify has a no logging policy. However, their free plan gives you just 2 GB of data per month on one device. Plus, being based in the US means they're subject to legal request. Speedify is also available for Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. And now coming at number 4 is Windscribe, a VPN based in Canada. Known for its excellent privacy policy, Windscribe doesn't log your data and offers DNS leak protection. You get 10 GB of data per month with a verifiable email. And it's available on a wide range of devices, including Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, and even browser extensions. The downside, they don't offer 24/7 live support for their free plan. In the number 3 spot is Hide.me. So one of the best picks for privacy and security based in Malaysia, Hide.me has a strict no-logging policy and uses AES 256 encryption to protect your data. Even with their free plan, you get no ads, no bandwidth limits, and 24/7 technical support. After using 10 GB in a month, though you'll be randomly assigned a VPN server, Hide.me is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and even Amazon Fire TV. Our runner-up at number 2 is Hotspot Shield, offering 500 megabytes of data per day, adding up to about 15 gigabytes per month. Known for its fast speeds, Hotspot Shield is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, Android, and as a Chrome extension. However, there are some trade-offs, such as being based in the US and logging some user data. The free plan is ad-supported and limits you to one device and US servers only. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is Proton VPN. This one stands out for its numerous free features that are often only found in premium versions of its competitors. With absolutely no data limits and no ads, Proton VPN is perfect for streaming and securing your internet connection. It's based in Switzerland, which means your privacy is protected from US and EU jurisdictions. However, there are a few cons. You're limited to one device, and the servers in just 5 countries, and no peer-to-peer support in the free plan. Proton VPN is available on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. So yeah, that is basically it. Thanks for sticking around. These are the top free VPNs you should consider.